Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable restarting EV charging after a power outage, full guide step by step clearly. To enable restarting EV charging after a power outage, start by locating your EV charger's user manual. Check for information on settings related to power recovery or resuming charging. Make sure your EV charger is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Log into your charger's mobile app or web interface. Look for settings under a section labeled Charging Preferences or Power Recovery. Turn on the option that allows charging to resume automatically. Some chargers may require you to enable notifications for power interruption alerts. If applicable, set a timer for charging to begin after power is restored. Ensure your electric vehicle settings are also configured to accept resuming from a power interruption. Consult your electric vehicle's user manual for specific instructions on power management settings. Once everything is configured, perform a test by simulating a power outage. Unplug your charger, then plug it back in to see if it resumes charging automatically. If the charger does not restart, check the connection settings and repeat the steps. Ensure that your charger firmware is up to date, as updates often include improvements for features like automatic recovery. For added safety, consider using a surge protector with your EV charger to prevent damage during power fluctuations. Familiarize yourself with your local utility's policies on power outages and notifications, as they can impact charging resumes. Document any issues and contact customer support for further guidance if the charging does not restart. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless charging experience for your electric vehicle after a power outage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.